How to add bank details to OneXBet? First of all, sign into your OneXBet account using your login credentials. Next, go to the menu section and tap on Settings at the top right corner. Then select Top Up Account. Here you will see several options including bank transfer. Click on this option. Now you will need to enter your full bank information. This includes the account holder's name, bank name, account number, and the IFSC or SWIFT code, depending on your region. Double check each detail to avoid any issues during future transactions. Once entered, tap on Confirm. You may be asked to verify your identity or confirm with an OTP sent by your bank. After successful verification, your bank account will be added to your OneXBet profile, making it easier for you to make withdrawals or deposit funds securely. And that's it. Now you know how to add bank details to OneXBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.